Welcome to class. We are moving to Module 4 and the topic is Yoruba Phonology and Grammar Foundations. The contents include Yoruba tone system and minimal pairs, sentence structure, and negation and question formation. The tonal system. Yoruba is a tonal language. The pitch of your voice changes the meaning of a word. The three tones include high tone, mid tone, low tone. High tone is called mi in Yoruba. Mid tone is re. Low tone is do. So the mi sound is your voice rises. The mid, your voice is steady and calm. Then for the low tone, do, your voice drops. So tones are essential for accurate meaning and not just for emphasis or emotion. So here are the practice to practice. Examples include Oni. Oni is mimi, and it means he said. Then that same word can be pronounced as Oni, do, mi, and it means today. The second example is W-O-W-O. It can be pronounced as Owo, Owo, which means do. And that's a low tone. So it means business. Another way to pronounce that it can be pronounced is Owo, Remi. So if it is pronounced thus, it means money. And also Iya. Iya is low. That is do. It means suffering. That same word can be pronounced as Iya, meaning do mi. That the tone is do mi, and it means mother. So words which are spelled the same way can have different meanings based on the tone used. So to master tones, you need to listen actively to native speakers. You need to practice repeating words slowly. Then you need to use tone marks in your writing. Let's consider the building sentence, how to build sentence in Yoruba. Yoruba follow the SVO structure, that is the subject, verb, object structure as it is in English. The formula is, you can say who does a thing plus the action, that is what is being done, then the object is to what or to whom it is being done. Let's consider these three examples. Mo in Yoruba, as said earlier, is I. Ra means but. Asho means clothes. So to combine it, to say mo, ra, asho. Mo is subject, ra is to buy. Then clothes is the object. So I bought a clothes. Then secondly, omu, omi. O, mu, omi. O is subject, mu is verb, omi is object, meaning he drank water. Then a, ri, ade. A in Yoruba is we. Ri. So I is the subject, ri is the verb, ade is the object. So we saw ade. So following the SVO structure will help in building Yoruba sentence. Making sentences negative. Negation uses particles like ko, o, and ma. General negation for past and present is use ko. Ko means not. So let's consider this example. Mi ko emi or mi ko ri Ade. I did not see Ade. So ko in the statement means not. Then for future negation, say mi ò lọ sí ọjà lọ́la. Mi ò lọ sí ọjà lọ́la. Ko means not also, but it is a future negation, which you can say will not. I will not go to the market tomorrow. Then for negative command, if you want to say don't in English, in Yoruba you say ma. For instance, you say ma jẹun, don't eat. Ma jẹun, don't eat. Then if you want to express not yet, you say kò tíì. Kò tíì. For instance, you say wọn kò tíì dé. They have not yet arrived. So carefully observe these rules. And if you want to ask a yes or no question in Yoruba, you answer yes as bẹ́ẹ̀ni, then you answer no as rárá. The first method is use the particle ṣé. If you want to ask a question now, you use first method is using ṣé. And example, ṣé o rí Adé, which means did you see Adé? Another example is ṣé o lọ sí ọjà? Ṣé o lọ sí ọjà? Did he go to the market? Another tone that can be used is the rising tone. Ó wá, you came. Then ó wá, you did not come, indicating by voice inflection. Ó wá, let me put it this way. Ó wá, you came. Ó wá, you did not come. So the rising of the tone changes the question. Then asking for information. If you want to ask about who, what, where, when, why, and how, these are the key words that are needed. For who, you say tani. For instance, tani ó wá, who came. For what, you say kíni. Example, kíni o fẹ́, what do you want? For where, you say níbo. For instance, you say níbo lo lọ, where did you go? Then for when, you say nígbà wo. So we can always apply it to sentences. Nígbà wo, when did he come? Nígbà wo ló wá? Then báwo ni, how. So how did he perform an action? You say báwo ni. So move to grammar in action, putting it all together. A simple sentence, you say, this is just a simple sentence. You say mo ra aṣọ, I bought clothes. Now, if you want to put it in negative form, you say mi kò ra aṣọ, I did not buy clothes. If you want to turn it to a yes or no question, you say ṣé o ra aṣọ? Did you buy clothes? Ṣé o ra aṣọ? Then to ask for specific information, kí ni o rà? What did you buy? Níbo lo ti ra aṣọ? Where did you buy the clothes? So common mistakes and tips for success. If care is not taken, there are some common pitfalls. One is pronouncing all tone as mid, pronouncing it as a flat tone. Another mistake is forgetting to use ṣé for yes and no question. So revisit the slide for better understanding. Then another pitfall is using ko for future negation instead of o. So, and for mastery, you need to listen and repeat. Make native speakers rhythm and pitch. And also practice with a partner. You drill question and answer forms. Then you write with marks. This will reinforce the sound connection between sound and symbol. So, in conclusion, tone are essential for meaning in Yoruba. Practice the high, mid, low tones. Yoruba sentence structure is subject, verb, object, just as in English. Then, to make a sentence negative, you use particles like ko, o. Then, ma, form yes and no question with she or a rising tone. And form information question with words like tani, kini, nibo. Lastly, combining these elements allows you to express a wide range of thoughts clearly and correctly. Thanks for listening.